Welcome everybody. Today we are going to solve the Chemistry IIT Mains 2017 question that says on treatment of 100 ml of 0.1 m solution of COCl3.6H2O with excess AgNO3, 1.2 ions, 1.2 into 10 to the power 22 ions are precipitated. So the complex is. So first let's try to find the number of moles in 100 ml of 0.1 solution. We have 100 upon 1000 ml per L equals to into 0.1 and equals to 0.01 moles, and 1.2 into 10 to the power 22 corresponds to 1.2 into 10 to the power 22 upon Avogadro's number, that is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. So the answer is 0.02 moles, that is 10 millimoles and 20 millimoles. Now 0.01 moles of CaCl3, 0.1 moles of COCl3.6H2O reacts with excess AgNO3 to form 0.02 moles of AgCl precipitate. Thus, from one molecule of COCl3.6H2O, one fluorine atom is displaced. So the resulting complex is COH2O 5Cl 2 Cl2 dot H2O, as number of chloride ion outside coordination sphere should be 1. So the correct option to this question is option 2.